Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about this AI designing tool. With the help of you can create the designs, you can create the animations, you can create the banner sets, and it has also the templates available that you can customize here. So I'm going to give you a detailed demo and tutorial how you can use this platform, whether you want to design the creatives with the AI or you want to just customize the templates already it has available. So this platform name is the BannerBoo. Right now it's back again on the App More lifetime deal starting from the just $59. And look at the reviews, you can see it has more than 250 reviews available here. So if I go to the plans and features, you can see starting from the $59 we have the 10 workspaces in which we can set up our brands or the different customers, and then we can design the creatives in that workspace. Then we can export the videos, we got the storage, that is the cloud, we got the background removal, we got the add views, editor, guest user, so many things you are going to see here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started with the platform here. So first of all, this is how this platform is going to look like. Here we can create our workspace. For example, I have just created my default workspace here, but if I want to set up it for a custom brand or the person or the social media, I can do it here. Okay, so once your workspace is created, you can see we have this some core features available, like create your design with the AI. You can create the SVG animation or you can create the banner set here. And if I scroll down below here, I can just search the templates, and we have also the some custom size option available, and this is all the presets available for the social media, display ads, video, cover, stories, or this is for my template section here. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the create design with the AI. So this is how its AI designer look like. All you have to just add the keyword. For example, I have added burger ad for Facebook, then I can use its creative mode, but it will take a little bit more time to create the designs. Then I can add my logo that will be the appearing here. I can add the colors, font, or I can also upload my product image here. So once everything is done, I will click here on the generate, and boom, I got the creative designs with the text on it here. So some of the designs you are going to love it. For example, I am going to select this one because it is just really good here. Now you can see this one is also looks, but some designs needs the customization here. For example, this design I want to use here, so I will click here on the pencil icon, and now I will go into the editing section where I can customize the design, whether choosing the different image or choosing the different text styles, fonts. I can do it everything on that editor here. And now you can see this is the editor, so I can make it from here like this is regular ad. I can make it the 3D cube. Okay, so this will leave the design, so I'm not going to make it. I can also select the carousels, this is for the blinds, and this is the floating panel here. So we have different layouts available. Okay, then suppose you want to change something, like you want to change the logo, simply click here on the logo element, and now you can upload the logo, you can change the font. Okay, if you want to change the image, you have to simply select that image element here, and now you will be able to do that. Same thing you can do with the font or the other things you will find here on the design. Okay, and here you will find the smart animation section available. Okay, so you can add the animations in all these things, like this is the text, this is for the logo, this is for the image. Okay, these are the elements here, but if you don't know how to do the animation, you can simply click here on this smart animation, and with the one click it is going to automatically add the animation. So it is going to show you some of the design animations you can select here. Like I'm going to go with this one, that is the fade up. Okay, so I have selected that one, and now this smart animation will be applied on my design. Okay, now let me close this one and let me play this design that I have just simply applied with a single click using the smart animation. That will play, and this is how it's look like. Okay, so I have just gave you the demo, but still it needs the improvement here. Okay, so there are also the these images section, videos, or the background music you will find here. Okay, so right now let me out of this playing area, and now you can see this is the copyright free sounds or the audio you can find it here. Same thing you can do it with the videos, images. This is its color palettes. In the one click I can change the color. Okay, so right now color palettes are loading, we have to wait a little bit. Okay, but don't worry, once it will be loaded, with a single click you can change the color palettes here. Okay, so you can see we have these different color palettes available, and with the single click I can apply it on my design. For example, let me click this one, and now you can see this color palette will be applied on my design. Let me select different one now. Okay, So this is really cool here. Now let me talk about what are the other things you can find on the BannerBoo here. So I have showed you that creating design with the AI, but we have also these templates available. For example, my favorite one is this one, called Stropper. Okay, so it will be some 3D designs that you can post on the social medias. For example, this one looks really good. This one looks really good. If you move your cursor or hover your cursor on the design, it will be going to play, and this is how it will look like. It's definitely going to stop and grab the attention of the viewer here. Okay, but I can select different designs here. For example, for the ads, I will click here on the display ads, and now it is going to show me all the templates that I can customize or change the design, font, color for creating the display designs here. We have so many great designs available here. Same thing go with the social media, video, cover, stories here. Okay, so if I want to select anyone, simply I have to click here on the pencil icon, and again I am in this editing section here where I can just change the design, add the color palettes, add the music, add the images. Okay, so this is how the BannerBoo platform look like. It's really good platform for the designing, for the graphics, everything here. So right now this is the good chance because its lifetime deal is back again. So if you want to check it out, the tool, the link will be given in the description. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video on the BannerBoo. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.